Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and in this little box I have, and I know you don't like me shaking it, do you? But maybe it won't make you sick. I have the first 50 people who placed an order on our new website. So I have just cut them out. We're going to do it old school. I didn't want to take time to put them in any kind of wheel or anything like that. I have just cut them all up and I put them in here, and I've just been continually shaking them for a while. Get them all mixed up. I'm going to turn it over here and shake it real hard out of the camera because I know it makes somebody sick to see that. Okay, now I have my head turned. I guess you can tell by the way my voice sounds. My head is turned. I'm just going to open this up, hopefully, and I'm going to reach in here and maybe I can pull out one. Well, if I can get a hold of one. My head is still turned. Can't see anything except my lights over there on the other computer. All right, I think I have one. So, let's see who this is. bigskymemories@gmail.com. I don't have the names, I have your emails. bigskymemories@gmail.com. I'll put it on the screen and I'll put it below. You have 48 hours to contact me and let me know which you would like. The Ease Mystery Kit for February or $50 out of my stash. Just either one. Just let me know. So there we go again. Maybe you can read that. bigskymemories@gmail.com. You are the winner, and thank you so much for purchasing and being one of the first 50 people to purchase from the store. I really appreciate it. All right, I'm gonna lay that right there. Maybe we can look at it. I have another little secret I'm gonna tell you guys, and I'm telling my YouTube viewers first, because it's going to go out to you first before I even post it on Facebook. I haven't told the design team members. I haven't told admins. I haven't told anybody. Me and you are the only ones who know this right now. But I'm letting you know first because you guys support me in everything that I do, and I appreciate it so much. So, between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Now that is 5 my time, Central Standard Time. Let me get a piece of paper, write it down. So that is 5 p.m. Central Standard Time until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and that is today. What is today? Today is Friday the 13th. 2/13/26. All right, so between 5 p.m. Central Standard Time and 6 p.m. Central Standard Time today. Now, if you don't know what Central Standard Time is, according to your time, all you got to do is Google it, and it'll tell you all the time zones. I'm in Alabama, so I'm in Central Time Zone. So just look that up, and it'll tell you exactly when 5 p.m. Central Standard Time will be on your clock. So between this time and this time, for 1 hour, anybody who makes a purchase from the website, I don't care, you can make a $5 purchase or you can make a $500 purchase. That would be wonderful. Whatever your purchase is, everybody who makes a purchase from the website. Now let me say this. It has to be a physical product. You can't go in there and buy a digital and then me mail you something, because that would just cost me twice the amount of money. So any physical, let's put that down, PHYSICAL, hopefully I spelled that right. Any physical product, any physical order between 5 p.m. and 6 p.m., everybody who places an order within that time will receive a free gift from me in your order. And I'm not telling anybody what it's going to be. None of my family knows what it is. I will pick it out when the person places their order, and I will wrap it and put it in their order. So you will receive a free gift from me, but your order has to be placed within this time frame. If it's not, then it doesn't count. Okay? So I'm going to be typing all this up and putting it out on the Facebook group and Instagram and all those kind of places here shortly. So make sure that you go ahead and write yours down, because you're going to know it first. They're not going to know it until probably about 30 minutes before time. All right, guys, that is what I wanted to tell you. And Big Sky Memories, make sure that you contact me at one of the email addresses below, and I will get your gift in the mail. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.